Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can put a specific date or time to your photo. So let's get on the photos section, and I'll tell you how you can do it. Just go to your photos and select any of the photo which you want to adjust the time. For example, let's open this photo, and now you want to adjust the time for this photo. If you see that there is a top right corner three dots, what you need to do is select these three dots and it will show you options like this. After the options will this like come up, you need to see that there's an adjust date and time option. You need to press it down and you can fix any date or time option for your specific photo, and it will show you right here in the corner. And if you tap below down, it will show you the detail of app date or the photo date or time here as well. So that's how you can actually adjust the photo time and date specifically. I hope this video helped you out in putting the exact date or time linked to your memory of the photo. And I have already discussed how you can put the location in the previous video. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link within the video so you can get it down as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you keep liking the tutorials and understanding the iPhone iOS better through this channel, please give a shout out, subscribe and support me. Bye bye.